Hey, so lately a lot of people have been asking me, what exactly is DevOps? Or how do I even become a DevOps engineer? And to be honest, I totally get why it feels confusing. It sounds like this huge, complicated thing, but let me break it down for you in the simplest way possible. DevOps is about making sure software doesn't just get built, it actually works in real life. It's like developers write the code. But DevOps, we make sure it gets out there, runs well, and keeps running smoothly without humans pushing buttons all the time. You're the one who connects all the moving parts: development, deployment, and operations. It's part builder, part firefighter, part problem solver. So, where do you start? First, learn Linux, like really, because most servers run on Linux. And as a DevOps engineer, you're going to be using it daily. Get comfortable with the terminal, create files, navigate folders, use commands like grep, chmod, top. These become second nature. Then, Git. You have to know version control, pushing code, branching, resolving merge conflicts. It's how developers collaborate, like, and you'll be part of that flow. After that, learn scripting. Start with Bash, then pick up a bit of Python. You're not becoming a full-time coder, but being able to write a script to automate a repetitive task, huge win. Next, you'll hear the phrase CI/CD a lot. That stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. What it really means is, can you set up a system that automatically tests and deploys code every time someone makes a change? Look into tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, or Jenkins. These are what companies use to push updates to apps quickly without breaking stuff. Then dive into Docker. Think of it as a box that holds your app, its settings, its tools, everything it needs to run. Learn how to create Docker files, run containers, and connect them. Once you're good with that, start learning Kubernetes. It's like the brain that manages all those Docker containers. Scaling apps, restarting crashed ones, spreading them across servers. Kubernetes handles all of it. Of course, you'll also need to learn cloud platforms. Start with AWS, it's the most used. Learn the basics: launching servers with EC2, storing files with S3, running databases with RDS, managing permissions with IAM, and don't forget monitoring and logs. How do you know if something's broken before users complain? That's where tools like Grafana, Prometheus, or even AWS CloudWatch come in. You'll use these to catch issues early and keep everything running. Now, I want to say this path, it's not easy. You're going to feel stuck sometimes. You might break things, you'll get confused, but every time you fix something, every time you figure something out on your own, that feeling is unbeatable. Also, real talk. Use AI tools. They can help write scripts, explain config files, even troubleshoot errors. It won't replace you, but it'll save you time and make you faster. And one more thing, don't wait until you feel ready. Start small, build one thing, then another. Every job posting you see is asking for 10 tools. Ignore that. No one knows everything. Learn what you can. Show that you're growing and that you're willing to figure things out. That's what DevOps is all about. So take that first step. Linux, Git, Docker, cloud, you've got this, and I'll be here cheering you on.